Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my husband's February Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile to tell the stylist your likes and your dislikes, and then he or she will send you 5 items in the box. Those items can be clothing, they can be shoes, jackets, whatever you want. And then you get to try the items on in the comfort of your own home. You decide what you're gonna keep and what you don't wanna keep. And if you keep anything from the box, you get to apply that $20 styling fee to anything that you keep from the box. If you keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, which is a really nice deal. So this is his 3rd box, and we're gonna go ahead and see what's inside. When you open up the box, you get the directions on the inside. It's really easy to check out. It's really hassle-free. You get this prepaid mailer, so shipping is free to you and to return any items that you don't want, which is really nice and convenient. And then you get this envelope right here, and inside it has a price invoice sheet for all the items that are in the box. And then you get this style card with a note from your stylist. And so I'm gonna read his note real quick. It says, "Hi Scott, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Thanks for the request notes. It always helps us out. I added a mix of dressy casual items for you this time." So basically my husband's been trying to revamp his wardrobe to get a little mixture of items that he can wear to church, but also casual items that he can add to his wardrobe. Since you are looking for a good pair of relaxed jeans, I grabbed the Red L by Alesbury jean that can easily be dressed up or down. Try them with the Fairlane and Sons dress shirt with loafers, or add khaki colored chinos with Oxford shoes for sophisticated style to church. The Alesbury Henley is a simple style that you can throw on with the Red L from Alesbury jean with chukka boots or with canvas sneakers while you enjoy an afternoon out with friends. The Red L by Alesbury sweater can be layered over a tee with the Red L by Alesbury jean with chukka boots for a cozy style on the go. The classic Threads for Thought polo will look nice with jeans. Cheers, Mandy. And so this is a new stylist for him. The last 2 boxes, Lori was his stylist, and so here's his style card, which gives you some ideas of how to pair the items that are in the box. So this is what his bundle looks like. And we've got the jeans. I think that's what he's really looking forward to. So the first item is by Fairlane and Sons. It is the Easy Care dress shirt in navy, and it is a 2XL in tall, which is good because he's pretty tall. And so it's this navy dress shirt that has, like, I think it's a light blue, or I think it's a light blue stripe, plaid stripe in there. Yeah, he likes plaid, which is good. And so this would be a good casual shirt, but it would also be a good shirt to wear to church with some khakis. So that's a nice looking shirt. Next is the Threads for Thought baseline polo, and it says it's in red, but it's almost like a pink almost, like a mauve. It's this basic polo with the 3 buttons on the front, and I'm sure he'll be happy to have this nice polo. He's naturally hot, so I think he's looking forward to having some short-sleeved items. So yeah, that seems like a nice casual shirt that he can wear. Next is by Alesbury. It is the Bryant Waffle Knit Henley in light blue. And so this is a long-sleeve shirt, but it doesn't feel super thick. It's probably thicker than he would like, but it's a light blue color. It's got the cuff, couple buttons, like 3 buttons down the front. Kind of stretchy. That might be a nice casual shirt to wear with jeans. Next is a dressier shirt. It's by Red L by Alesbury. He's got a lot of items in this box from that brand. And it is the Riverside V-neck sweater in burgundy. I love burgundy. It's almost like a mix there. Can you see the color? So it's just a nice burgundy V-neck pullover. Could be dressed up for church or dressed down with jeans. But yeah, that's a nice V-neck. I like the color. And then the last thing is the jeans. And And it says, Red L by Alesbury, Sawyer, Relaxed Fit, Lowell jean. And so it's just a lightly washed jean here. It's got a pretty dark wash, but it does have some kind of fading around the knees. Yep, no distressing, kind of a medium wash, I guess you could say. Yep, and he likes relaxed fit jeans, so hopefully those will fit him. So what I'm gonna do now is, I can't get him to try them on in front of the camera, so we're gonna take a pause for the cause and he'll try this on and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I am back to talk with you about prices and to let you know how my husband felt about the pieces. And so the first item on his sheet was the Threads for Thought Baseline Polo, and it says it's in red, but it's more like a pink or kind of a mauve color, and that was this top. And it was in a 2XL, and the cost of that was $34. So that's actually a really good price for this shirt. And he liked it. He said the color wasn't his favorite, but it was really soft and very comfortable, and it was long enough, so that was good. So I think we're gonna keep that. Next was the Fairlane and Sons Easy Care dress shirt in navy, and it was in a 2XL in a tall. And that was this particular shirt. And so the cost of this shirt was $49.50. And he liked that one. He said it would pair well with khakis for church, so that was a good one. Next was the Red L by Alesbury Riverside V-neck sweater in burgundy, and it was in a 2XL, and so that was this particular sweater. He's not a huge fan of V-necks, but he said this one wasn't too bad, and we liked the colors, so I think this would really pair well with a pair of khakis or black pants. So the cost of this one was $48, which isn't bad. They did a better job of keeping prices down the last two boxes. Next was the Alesbury Bryant Waffle Knit Henley in light blue, and that was this one. And he liked this. It was in a 2XL, and the cost of it was $44. And then last but not least was the Red L by Alesbury Sawyer Relaxed Fit jeans. Sawyer Relaxed Fit Lowell jean in indigo. And that was $68, and they were the most expensive thing in the box, and they fit him really well. He did worry that they might be a touch too long, but we were afraid if we sized down that they would be too short. I think this is gonna end up being a 5 for $5. So I'm gonna leave his referral link in the description box below. So if you use that referral link, you'll get $25 off of your box, and he'll get $25 off of his box. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment box below. And until next time, bye guys.